Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify opening soon page. Now if you have this problem, or you want, for example, to edit this, or you want to just remove this like opening soon page, that you can customers will be able to see your Shopify product, and you can launch your own Shopify store. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Like, the reason for this is because you have set a password for your Shopify store, or you have downloaded an app that helps you like create an opening soon page. Of course, the background is going to be different for each person. Like, if you have downloaded like Pagefly to set up if you are fixing, for example, something inside your own Shopify store, that's the reason why people set a password for the Shopify. If they are fixing something and you don't want customers to see anything on their Shopify store until they fix everything on their Shopify. Now, to fix this, it's very simple. Okay, to remove that coming soon page from your own Shopify store. First thing, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on plan. Okay, so the first step, guys, is to pick a plan. Like, you are not going to be able to remove this opening soon page if you don't pick a plan inside your own Shopify store. Okay, so if you are just like, if you started your own Shopify, you are using free trial, it's not going to allow you guys to launch your own Shopify store. Like, it's going to be private and people will not be able to find it. Okay, so you will have to pick a plan here. You will only pay here $1. I only paid $1 for 3 months. Okay, so it's very cheap. Okay, so the first 3 months you will only pay $1. Okay, so after you pay for the plan, you want to click here where it says you just need to close this, like, after you pick a plan, and you want to click on here. Okay, online store. Okay, guys, after you click on online store, as you can see, it will say here something like your online store is password protected. Okay, so what you guys need to do is to remove that password. Okay, you want to click on preferences, as you can see in the left, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, at the very bottom you can see here a box, it's checked. You will see here restrict access to visitors with passwords. You want to uncheck this box. Okay, just uncheck it and remove this password. By the way, it's not going to allow you to remove the password if you didn't pick, like I said, a plan for your Shopify store. You will have to pay, like I said, $1 for the first 3 months. If you don't do that, they are not going to allow you to uncheck this box. Now, after you uncheck it, after you toggle it off, make sure you click on save in the top right. Now, if you and then next up, you want to click on settings, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. And now make sure you don't have like a Pagefly here. Pagefly, like I said, helps you create a coming soon page just like this, so that you can fix anything inside your Shopify store. If you don't want like your customers to see what you are going to like use the mistakes you have on your Shopify, so that you can fix them or anything like that. Now, if you have like Pagefly here, just remove it. If you don't have it, then leave this alone, and now your problem will be solved. Like, you can now access your Shopify store. As you can see, now you can use your own Shopify store without any problem. Like, even customers now will be able to purchase from your Shopify store. Now you can start promoting your own Shopify store. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments your questions. I reply to everyone. Okay, drop a like and see you guys next video.